Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your old Facebook stories. So just open your Facebook application in your mobile and then you have to tap on these three bars in the upper right corner. Then tap on your name here and it will lead you to your profile section, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is to click on these three dots here. After clicking on that, you will be led here to your profile settings. So tap on this archive here and then on the left side here you will see the story archive. Now if you click on this story archive there, basically you will see all your stories that you have saved. Now make sure you have toggle the story archive here on. This will save to archive, so every time you save or every time you post a story there, it will be saved on your archive. Now let's say you haven't done that, so all stories prior to toggling this on will not be saved. So make sure to toggle this on to start saving or to start archiving your stories. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.